How to enable two-factor authentication on Reddit. First of all, go ahead and launch the Reddit application on your device. And also make sure that you have a verified email address attached to your Reddit account and download a reputable authenticator application such as Google Authenticator on your smartphone. Once you do this, you simply have to now launch the Reddit application on your device and log into your account. Tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right, then head to Settings. From here, go to the account settings. Once you are here, all you have to do is now search or look for the two-factor authentication feature over here. If you don't find it over here, you can also try using the Reddit's official website using any web browser of your choice. Now, once you locate the Enable or Account Authorization section, you simply have to tap on it, then toggle the switch on and click Enable. Once you do this, type in your account password when prompted to confirm your identity, then scan the QR code on the screen using your mobile phone. Once you do this, enter the verification code and save your backup codes. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.